Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So some of them are asking how to remove the duplicate data using window function. So I had done the video uh, removing duplicate data in different ways I have given. But in that video, I'm not covered with window functions. So in our SQL series, I'm doing the videos step by step, right? So each and every concept wise. So at that time, window functions are not covered. So at the time, without using the window function, I had done the video removing the duplicate data. Now we will see the remove the duplicate data using window function. So which is one of the best method to remove the duplicate data. So it's very simple also. This one, this is. So let's look into this example scenario. So first I will drop the table. So I will create one table, sample table. I'm creating the table called as create table restaurants. So restaurants I have taken as ID, name, location, and manager. So for this I have inserted some values. So in this uh, values I'm inserting some duplicate values. So if you look into this last two lines, two rows, one ping Warsaw M1. Same thing repeated here. And if you check with the two Zaitoon Bangalore M2, the same thing I have given as some duplicate records of four. So total row for ID number 2 repeated as 5 times. ID number 1 repeated as 3 times. If you look into the table inserted, right? Okay, table is not values not inserted. Let's insert the values first and check with the restaurant uh, data. So if we look into the data, so this way, so I have added some of the duplicate records, intentionally added some of the duplicate records. We had to remove these duplicate records. So for example, we have this output is mainly, if we check with output, if we take screenshot this one, so we have the output called as, so this is the one unique record, one, and other unique record called as this one, two, and other unique record called as three. So these duplicate records I have added intentionally, that is four records, two, and two records for this ones I have added. But our final with after duplicating records after removing, we have only three rows. Okay, so these three rows how we'll get by using window function. Let's look into this. So here I have created as one CTE with CTE as select. So first we'll retry the ID. Okay, then I'm writing with the function window function called as the row number. So row number over partition by ID. So what happened if you partition by ID? So after partitioning by ID, what happened? So first partition. So it will check as one. So once it will give us the 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. After then second partition. So second one again 1, 2, 3, 4. So like that, the partition will assign as row number. So row number over partition by ID. After then order by ID as RN. So this row number will create from restaurants. If you see this table, how it will created. So first of all, here the partition is created by ID number 1. So if you check with the ID number 1, row number is 1, 2, 3. If you check with the ID number 2, so 5 times. So again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So row number is created. Okay. Now, what we can do is, so up to this one CTE. This one I have put the CTE. Now delete from CTE where Rn not equal to 1. So where Rn not equals to 1, those records it will remove. Okay. So let's try this one. 6 rows affected. Okay. Now we'll check with the select star from restaurants. How many records? We have 3 records. 1, 2, 3. So in our table also we need these 3 only. I have shown this one result, right? 1, 2, and third record. So these 3 are the unique records. These 3. So we are getting also the same thing. Okay. So if you have the number of records, millions of records also, this scenario will work. So this is the best scenario we had to use with window function to remove the duplicate data. So this is in SQL Server. If you are using with PostgreSQL, you have to try with the CTID. So that is CTID will work as in PostgreSQL only. Okay. I will share the code PostgreSQL and SQL Server. Both the code I will share in the video description. Let's try. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.